Hello, welcome back to the Future Abroad series. Today we would like to talk about the September 24 intake and the concept of UCAS clearing. Students who aspire to still join universities in the UK for undergraduate studies feel that they can no longer do so since it is very late to apply. However, universities in the UK provide the opportunity for students to apply through UCAS clearing, where they will release offers for select courses which still have available seats. Students also have the opportunity to apply to select universities that work directly with the student, and students can make applications directly to those universities. The key aspect that students have to be mindful is to start maintaining their finances in order to meet and comply with the requirements of UKVI student route visa. Therefore, if a student is looking to apply to any university for the September 24 intake, they can do so by applying through UCAS clearing or apply directly to the universities, ensuring that they have started to maintain the necessary funds. For more understanding and how to apply through UCAS clearing, you're welcome to work with one of our counselors. Thank you.